Okay, Rua Cidade de Santarém. Last time I was on this street there was a lot of construction, tons of it. So maybe I'll just might do a little bit of it before this begins, and hopefully I remember. Okay, anyways, this is going to be this street right here. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Hopefully I remember to put in some of the ones from not too long ago, and there's a date on the left hand corner so you can see it was quite recent as well. Gets a little context. President Cafe, Casino. This one is Star World Casino. That's the Grand Lisboa Casino. That's the Wynn Casino. That's the MGM Casino. And this is the Art Casino. And we're just going to walk straight down this little pathway. So yeah, last time I was here, this was all under construction. Nice place to eat right here. It's like French bread and stuff like that. You can sit outside too. There you go. A lot of good pasta. Okay. Got some kind of cool stuff here. Yeah, that was all under construction. So hopefully I remember to show it. If I didn't, I'll definitely link it so that you can see it at the end of this one. Sometimes after I edit it, I just kind of leave it as is. I mean, edit it meaning like once I've created it. But one way or the other, you'll definitely will get to see. You get to see what it looks like. Lots of mainland Chinese tourists are back, so that we have a bubble now with mainland China. So Macau is open with tourism again. Okay, this is that's where we're coming from. So let's keep on going. We got a lot of gold shops up here, as you can see. There's Star World. Let me just turn around so you can see Star World a little bit. So yeah, that one will be all lit up at nighttime. Big star up top, big yellow star. Red, I think it's blue up there. So we're still going to continue down Rua de... Let's go down on the other side. Rua Cidade de Santarém. All the lights are out. Traffic. Ballet. I think I remember filming that as well. So I think I must have filmed here maybe at least 2 other times. So once there was all the construction, so you probably saw that at the beginning of this. Clothing store. This one has fresh fish. And the kitchen is right there. Okay. Some other shops up there. Okay, let's see what this one is. Okay, that one has something up at the top. You kind of have nothing. It's like maybe government area. Put like a broom and garbage to clean these clean streets on a regular basis. Chinese restaurant. Pharmacy. Another fish restaurant. Seafood. Seafood. I also have a pretty good wine selection, whiskey. Okay. So we're gonna finish it. So some of these streets have a Portuguese name, so this one definitely does. And we're gonna end it right here. I think last time I also filmed like this. Just kind of showed you this street, and that's our main street right there. So you got to see that again, all the changes after the construction. So let's end this one right here.